Welcome to the HPN University Manager Best Practices Roadmap. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with practical ideas and best practices on how to fully maximize the HPN University with your advisors. In this episode, we'll focus on the Buddy System. The HPN Buddy System can be found in our Featured tab, as well as in the main menu in Sales Skills under Sales Skills Resources. The reason we call it the Buddy System is because it contains two interactive tools to help your advisors: Phone Buddy and Prospecting Buddy. This feature is consistently the #1 most viewed resource on the HPN University, and we highly encourage you to direct your advisors here, especially those who are struggling with making their dials, booking appointments, and handling objections. Phone Buddy is a telephone skills training tool designed to increase the confidence and success of your advisors on the telephone. We've identified the top 10 objections your advisors are most likely to receive when reaching out to potential prospects on the telephone. We've provided them with field-tested language used by some of the top advisors in the industry to overcome these objections and book the appointment. So whether an advisor is practicing on their own or actually logging into the site to use during their daily dials, simply hover over each objection and it will automatically provide them with language to use. Prospecting Buddy is the same concept, but instead of top 10 phoning objections, we have the top 6 prospecting objections. As a best practice, use the Buddy System resource for role-play exercises, or even have your advisors pull up Phone Buddy as they're making their dials. If you'd like to talk more about this or other best practices for using the HPN University, contact us for a free consultation at info@hoopus.com.